So here is update now. We're just arriving inside the best aircraft in the world, Dreamliner Qatar, taking off from Munich International Airport, the best airport in the world, to Doha. So guys, I will take you guys in Doha, okay? We are flying with Dreamliner, the best Airbus. Here we go from Munich International Airport. You can see, very big aircraft, you see? So we see you guys, okay, in Nigeria, Lagos. Here we come, Niger, all the way from Munich International Airport, the best airport in the world with the best airline, Dreamliner 900 with more than 300 passengers. Okay, so here we go. Thank you. See you guys in Lagos tomorrow morning. Goodbye from Munich. This is Sam Nkemdirim Agoha, great speaker, here live inside Dreamliner 900. Goodbye. See you guys. I love you all. Peace. Lagos. See you. Laws. It's what we call the laws of aerodynamics. You understand? So guys, this is the toilet. This is the toilet inside the Dreamliners. You see the toilet here. So you can see this way you can put your hand to take toilet paper, or this way, you understand, you are not allowed to smoke inside the toilet of the Dreamliner. So this way you have to show you how the toilet look like, you understand? And they have a very nice beautiful mirror. So this is it, a sign, the Dreamliner toilet. Here we come, see. So guys, this is our evening food. You can see this red wine. This is beef. Let's see what is inside. Let's see what is inside. So I think potato meat, beef, it's salad. This one is yogurt, it's water, it's cake. So this is our food inside Qatar Airline Dreamliner. So here we have to enjoy. Okay, see you guys later. Thank you. This is Qatar International Airport. We are still in Dreamliner 35900. We just arrived in Qatar. So we have to proceed to the gate to continue our movement to Lagos. So we'll see you in Lagos. We just arrived now in Qatar International Airport. We're still live inside the Dreamliner 950. So we'll see you guys. Thank you so much. Nice trip. We are just boarding to Dreamliner 350-900 to Niger. We are coming. This is it, departing from Doha International Airport, Qatar. Now we still here live. See you guys in Lagos. Goodbye. All the way from Doha, Qatar. You see? Wait for the bus to continue the journey, transit for the airport, you understand? So we are just arrived. So our bus just arrived now, you understand? This is International Airport, Qatar. So we are just waiting for our bus. Now we can continue to our trip to Lagos. So this is where we are now. You see everybody just coming down. This is our bus just arrived. And it's too cold, it's too hot here. I don't know, maybe it's 60 degrees. But all I can tell you, man, guys, here is too hot, man. Very, very interesting here, man. It's my first time to be in Japan, International Airport, Qatar. So we're just waiting for our bus. Now, so look at this. So we have to start packing in, you understand? So we're inside the bus now, you know what I mean? Oh, this is very nice AC. You know, it's very cool, chilling, you understand? So guys, here is the bus to take us to the next terminal where we can be able to transit to continue our journey to great city, Lagos, Nigeria. So see you guys.